Today's topic is ordered pairs and relations, okay? And I'm going to go through this, not quickly, but you can feel free to pause whenever you want and rewind whenever you want to kind of catch up with what you missed or make sure you verify what you have right and what you have wrong and fix it and things like that. Right. The coordinate system, also known as the coordinate plane, okay, P-L-A-N-E. It is formed by the intersection, which means two things cross. So the intersection of two number lines, okay? Now those two number lines, one's horizontal, which means it goes left and right, and that's called the x-axis. And the other one is a vertical number line, which means it goes up and down, okay? The vertical number line, which goes up and down, is known as the y-axis, okay? These lines intersect at a particular point. And that point has a value of 0, 0, we'll talk about that here in a minute, but it has a name. That point is actually called the origin, okay? So I know you've seen these before, so it kind of looks like this. The horizontal line kind of goes left and right like that. The vertical line, the y-axis, goes up and down like this guy right here. And they intersect right here at this cross point, and that cross point right there is called the origin. Now, if you further remember, these four sections you see up there have names, and they're quadrants, okay? Quadrant like 4. This is quadrant number 1, and we go counterclockwise from there. And we also use Roman numerals. So quadrants 1 through 4 kind of make like the letter C as they go around that coordinate plane, okay? So that's what the thing is that we're talking about. A coordinate point, on the other hand, is a group of numbers used to locate any position, okay? And I use that word group kind of loosely, okay? So it's not really a group, but rather just some numbers. And we use it to locate points or positions or locations on the coordinate plane. The first value is called the x-coordinate. X-coordinate, just like x-axis, and it moves us horizontally, left and right, horizontally, or horizontal movement, left from the origin or right from the origin. On the other hand, the second value is the y-coordinate, and that tells me how to move vertically. So that's the vertical movement. Again, not from a particular spot, but from the origin every single time. So your coordinate point, or what's called a coordinate pair, looks like this. It's one number, comma, followed by a second number. That first number is your x-coordinate, and it says, it says I move left or I move right from the origin. The second number, which is my y-coordinate, tells me to move up or down, again, with respect to the origin, and that's how you find your actual point. One such example of a coordinate point is this dude right there, 0, 0, which says, I don't move anywhere. I don't move left, I don't move right, I don't move up, and I don't move down. Okay, so that's all the notes we're going to take right now on the first part of your notes. Part 2 is going to be below us. So finish up this video, rewind it if you need to, and then start watching the second to continue the notes on.